Every single day, I drink something that is essentially pitch from earth. There are 72 or more trace minerals in this mineral pitch, which is called Shilajit. It comes from the condensing of mountains, rock, forests, primarily organic matter, and that compression creates a black, tarry-like pitch that is just gorgeous. To be able to have trace minerals in a complete form, to me, is part of practicing consuming whole plant nutrition as opposed to pulling out just one ingredient or two and taking those in pill form. So to actually work with the Shilajit, you need to heat it up in some kind of hot water. And then once it's warm, you can actually pry out a little bit of this pitch. Now this is a huge serving. I would not drink all of this in one day. It's about a pea size is what you want. And you'll drop that into a mug. You fill your mug up with hot water. You can already see the color coming out of this. It's so beautiful, and so quickly it will turn your water into this dark, mineral-rich, smoky beverage that is just beautiful to drink any time of the day. And there you have it. Look at that.